Getting conversions on Cpagrip is very easy to do. Today I am going to show you how to do it. First of all, you have to open your Chrome browser and then search here for Cpagrip. And the searches will complete, and here you have to click on first link. And when you click on this link, the website will look like this. Here you can see that performance marketing with industry-leading monetization tools. And if you scroll down, you can see that many buttons of this Cpagrip, that is content locker, URL and file locker, video locker, offer walls, and many more options are here. You can scroll down to see them. And on the upper right of the screen, you can see that the tools option. And here you can see that the tools of Cpagrip that are content locker, URL locker, these are the same that is here. And you can also see that about section. You can read about the full support of dedication payment scheme, go global directly, fast payments, and best tools. The next one is contact. When you click on this button, you will redirect to the contact page where you can get the number and Skype ID where you can contact to them. If you face any problem, if you have any question, then you can send message. Feel free to contact us, and you just have to enter the email here, and then here you have to enter your publish ID. If you don't have, then click on no button, and now you have to enter. Are you a current publisher? And now you have to enter here the department, and then you have to type your message which contains your problem. If you have any, then click on send message. It will send, and after some time you will receive the message and you can solve your problem. Next one is register button. Click on register button if you don't have account. But if you have account, then click on login button to log in your account. Now click on register button because I don't have account. Next page will open, and here you have to select or verify I am human. So it will take some time to approve. After this, the new window will open, and here you can see that there are many options that we are going to fill. Next you can see that first option is first name. Here you have to enter your first name. Then you have to enter the publisher type, which is website, e.g. email, GPT, or other. So I click on email. Next you have to enter the last name. So I enter my last name. Next one is email address. Here you have to enter the email. Next one is company. You can type the company if you have. If you don't have, you can also skip this option. And here is an important section that you can see that indicate required field. It means that option that has this star button, it's mandatory to write whatever they want. It means you can see that there is a star on password button, and which means you must have to enter the password. If you don't write password, you are not able to create account. In the same way, the next option is a street address. If you don't want to have a street address, your account will not be created. But if you don't add your website, your account will be created. Next, here you have to enter the street address. So I write here check number 28 SB. Next you have to enter your country. Next you have to choose your time, so you can also choose the time, so select your time here. My country is Pakistan, so I select Pakistan time zone from here. So let's suppose this is my country time, that is Central Time Asia, and many more, so I select this one. Next one is the city. You have to enter the city of your, and next one is region, that is also Sargana. Next one is postal code, that is this, and next one is I will add my phone number here. Next, you have to enter your Skype IM name. That is your Skype name, not your phone number or email address. Then I write here, Osama Yunus. Next, you have to check all the terms and policies, not just one. So, I select all of these, and now click on this button. And after this, you have to select a buses option here. So now, select all the buses and click on this button. And next, you can see that your account is created successfully on Cpagrip. And here you can see that the dashboard of CPA is open. And here you can see that many options on the left side of the screen. And these options are statistics and charts. When you open this button, you can see that many options under this, like statistics, overviews, daily breakdown, offer breakdown. If you want to see your stat, you can see from this option. And you can see that the stat of my account is here. But this is my newly created account, so that's why I don't have any views, clicks, leaves, and even not a revenue. Now the next option is monetization tool. And here you can monitor your account monetization. Here is many options like content locker, URL and file locker, media locker, and offer watch. Next one is offer tool option. Here you have offers and links that you can promote and you can earn money. Next one is post back tool. You can also explore it. Next one is refer program. If you want to refer your friends to join this program, if they earn money, then you can also earn money. Next one is payment center. Then click on payment center, and here you can add your payment method to withdraw. Here you can see that payment status is 0. So if you want to add payment method, then you can see on the right side of the screen, new payment method. Here you can add your Payoneer account, Payoneer Global Bank Transfer, Transfer, and PayPal. I suggest you to use PayPal to withdraw your money. And next one is account settings. Here you can do your settings like Skype ID, my email address, and many more things that you can manage like password, etc. Now we are going to generate our revenue on Cpagrip. So to do that, you have to click on offer tools, and here you have 5 options. My offer, smart links, RSS offers feed, JSON offer feed, CSV offer export. But you have to click on my offer button. When you click on this button, you will see that new window is opening here. So it's open here, and you can see that here are 3 options on the upper side, that is country. Now you can see that my country Pakistan is selected now. You have to move on the upper side and then select all country here. After this you have to select the category if you want. So select category. I want to go on mobile install. Next one is show stat. You can also see that, but I'm not going right now for this option. And you can also manually search your required offer. You can see that many offers are here. You can also say that many work to do is here. You have to complete these tasks to earn money on Cpagrip. So here you can see that there are many tasks that you can do on daily basis and earn money. First one is install and register in the Chevron app and you will earn $0.62. Next one is install a Tapal app and you will earn $0.89. Now you can scroll down and find your best task that you can perform. Next, if you select your task, then you have to click on that task. Here you can see the details about that offer. Now first one is install and register in the Chevron app, and here you can see that you have to install this app in the United States. You cannot register this app from Pakistan. You will not gain any money. Now you can see that this offer is allowed only Android phone in United States. So make sure when you ask someone to install this application in US, he is a user of Android mobile. Next you can see that you have statistics of 1 week and 0 clicks 0 late of this offer. Next you have to click on copy link button and you will copy with the link. You can see that your email address must be verified. But my email is not verified, but you will find the link of product here. You just have to copy the link and you have to install this application. Next, what to do. That is very important step in all of this process. To install this, you just have to open your Chrome browser and then you have to type here United States WhatsApp group. Now click enter and you can see that there are many groups of USA are here. You can see that the first one is 450, 350, and 790. Number USA WhatsApp group links are here. After this you have to click on this one and the new window will open here. Next you can see that this is the United States flag. And the website is here, and you have to scroll down, and here you can see that many groups are here. Like all USA. Group name USA group, Bitcoin, money, call, tag, cricket, blast, dating as USA, friendship group, all these groups are here. So let's suppose I want to go with cricket blast. I just click on join group button, and it will redirect to your WhatsApp. So if you have WhatsApp in your computer, you can click on join chat button, and if you don't have, then you can do all this process by using mobile phone. Next, the group will automatically connect to your mobile WhatsApp application. So I click on this button. So I have WhatsApp on my laptop. So I click on use WhatsApp on web. So my WhatsApp is opening here. And after some time it will open. So it will show the group that we have joined will be successfully joined. And you can see that Cricket Blast here. That's all, USA. Just click on join group button. And you can see that you cannot join this because it is full. So you have to come back to find a new group. Here you can just scroll down. And you can see that many groups are here. Just check one of them group. When it is successfully joined, you have to just click on join chat button and open your WhatsApp again. You just have to paste the link here. You can see that my link is here. You have to write here attractive sentence about this application. I'll write here, download this app and earn up to $50 per week. You can write an interesting title to ask people to join this. So in this way, you can generate maximum conversions on Cpagrip.